JCB 930 rough terrain forklift. This machine is it's a two-wheel drive unit, but it's rough terrain. Got a rebuilt transmission by JCB. Really runs good. 6,000 pound capacity. Side shift pallet forks on it. We just got this transmission put back in, so she's ready to go. Nice little machine. If you don't absolutely have to have four-wheel drive, this could be a good unit. Save you some money. Motor really runs good on it. Side shift. Tires are really good. All the way around, matching. Good little older forklift. JCB 930, 6,000 pound rough terrain, two-wheel drive, triple stage mast, pallet forks, fresh rebuilt transmission, ready to go.